So the process to change or edit home or work address on Google Maps app is quite easy and simple. The process is same for Android as well as iPhone. So once you have the app open, you need to go and tap on this profile icon at the right top corner. So just go and tap on it. And once you are here, you can see you have an option of settings. Tap on settings. Once you are inside here, you need to scroll down a bit and you have using maps. And if you go down a bit under the account settings, you have edit home or work. Tap on this. And now you have two things, home and work. So if you want to edit the home, just go and tap on these three dots in front of the home. Tap on edit home. You can choose on map. Just go anywhere you want to put. Here we go. Once you have selected on the map, tap on OK. Now the direction is, sorry, the location is changed. Tap on done. And same is for the work. Just go and tap on these three dots. Tap on edit work. Choose on map. Change to whatever you want to change. You can also zoom in, zoom out, totally up to you. Tap on OK. Tap on done. And it is changed. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to change home. So you can see home is here, work is here. So by doing so, you'll be able to change home and work address on Google Maps app. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.